crypto bear market. 3 tips for traders. The bull market has gone. Crypto winter is coming. Nobody knows when the bear will end. But for alpha traders, they still have some methods to gain profits even in a bear market. Swing trading by net by amount indicator. Crypto prices will always fluctuate. Therefore, swing trading effectively takes short-term profits, buy the dip and sell the rise. To make your short-term trading more efficient, Candlestick supports real-time live signals of 5 minutes, 15 minutes and 1 hour resolutions. You can earn daily profits using divergences between the net buy indicator and the price, which is an exclusive strategy. Remember to set the resolutions to 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 1 hour. Entry, price drops, but net buy peaks. Exit, price peaks, but net buy turns to negative. Take the HOT-HEX token, for example. June 20th 11 UTC, 14 UTC and 20 UTC, buy to entry, price drops, and net buy is up. June 21st 07 UTC, buy to entry, price drops, and net buy is up. June 21st 16 UTC, sell to exit. Price peaks but the net buy turn negative. Detailed strategies to beat the bear. Check the how to find an entry and exit time with net buy amount indicator video on the top right side. Gem hunting by Explore feature. In the bear market, you will likely wait for ages until mainstream coins return from an epic decline. However, there are crypto gems with outstanding performance waiting for you. We display 6 leaderboards on the Explore feature page, based on our exclusive indicators. As a result, you can find real-time information on crypto gems and what smart money is buying now. For example, on June 23rd, Matic net buy value by smart money plus 795.87%. It indicates smart money are buying in. Click the Matic in the leaderboard and jump to the net buy amount indicator. We quickly knew the smart money bought $135,000 Matic. This tutorial gives you step-by-step hunting skills. How to explore crypto gems. Follow smart money. Check the live trading, DEX trades. Turn on the smart money mode and see who is buying. We can see that Alameda Research is buying Matic with a net buy volume of $97.27 thousand. The average buy price is $0.4359, $0.4588. Now the current price is 50 cents. If you follow the smart money, you will take a 15% profit in a day. Why Candlestick Smart Money is smarter. In the latest version, we enhanced the smart money function. Now we have 1,139 smart money addresses, including the most profitable DEX traders, DeFi OG and crypto whales, farmers with high win rates, etc. They are well-informed investors or professionals in the crypto world. So, if you follow their real-time actions, you could get more profits. Candlestick supports the smart money function with 20+ indicators. You can learn more in the tutorial. How to track smart money. Candlestick public launch soon. 2 weeks left to get 60% off for all functions. Crypto gem hunting function. Live smart money mode. 40+ exclusive crypto trading indicators. Buy/sell timing signals.